triangle LMN above is rotated anticlockwise about L through 90 degrees. Which of the following is its likely image? Alright, so we have a situation here where we have a shape and the shape is made to move. So this is one example of what we call a transformation. In this case, it is a rotation. Right, the rotation is about the point L itself, and it is 90 degrees clockwise. So again, in a multiple choice, right, the closest thing that you will have to a tool in this question would be a protractor. But even without the protractor, you could get the answer out. Alright, so watch it out. Watch it. So this is the original triangle here. These are the options on the exam as reproduced here on the board. So let us first deal with the questions that we could eliminate immediately, and those will be answers C and D. The reason being, the original triangle has M and N on this short side here, right? Triangle in C has L and M, and triangle in D has L and M. So we could take these two out. We don't even have to waste time thinking about those two, because whatever happens to the triangle, the orientation of the points would remain the same relative to each other. So when the triangle is turned, M and N will always be on this short side, the right angle will always be at M, and L will always be this point here where the two long sides meet. So the only two triangles that meet those conditions would be triangles A and B. So next we want to find out what happens when this triangle is rotated about 90 degrees about L anticlockwise. So we know what 90 degrees look like. Alright? So if we take this triangle and rotate it, we'll get something looking like this. Right? So you get this long side. So this will be a M on this side, and you'll get that there. And I'll draw it kind of small because of space limitations, of course. Right? So if it rotates about L at 90 degrees anticlockwise, of course would be in this direction. So that's the 90 degrees there. So yeah, L, this would be L dash, this would be M dash, and this would be N dash. Right? And the closest thing that resembles that would be answer B here. This would definitely not be it, based on the fact that we're rotating through 90 degrees anticlockwise. So in this question, yes, your answer is answer B.